This is my 2015 VA Subaru WRX STI in World Rally Blue. Today we're going to run you through the installation of our Catback exhaust. This modification will help the engine breathe better and won't require a tune as it is after the catalytic converter. This Ultrex system is a direct bolt-in and it should give us a much throatier rumble from the boxer engine. We had no trouble with all the hangers, everything lined up perfectly. All the bolts, all the hardware, the gaskets, everything came with it. Ooh. And in terms of bang for buck, I think this is a really good choice. First step, jack up your car and put it on some jack stands. Next, it's best to spray all of the existing bolts with some CRC, WD-40, anything like that. Loosen the bolts on the mufflers first. Spray the hangers with some WD-40. Unbolt the mufflers and remove them. Hold on to them in case you ever want the car to go back to stock. That would be my suggestion. Next, remove the mid pipe and take it out of the hangers and take the whole lot out. I had a few apprentices helping me, which made it a bit easier. Bolt up the new mid pipe to the cat. Get your helper to hold the middle section up for you while you put the bolts in. If you don't have anyone to help you, you can prop it up with a jack or a stand or even some bits of timber, whatever you've got around. Once the mid pipe is mounted, you move on to the Y pipe. Same again, get your apprentice to help or prop it up. As you put it into the hangers, put your gasket in and put the bolts in.
Put the nut on one side.
Don't tighten anything fully yet, that's the last step. Next, we're going to mount the mufflers, get the gaskets and bolts in. Once the mufflers are installed and everything is in the hangers as it should be, you can go back and tighten all of the bolts up to this point. The final step is mounting the tips. I've gone for the burnt titanium look tips on this and I think it really sets the car off nicely at the back. It's much more enjoyable when you get the kids involved and they're learning and you've got a bit of help. Now we're all done, here's a comparison sound clip. Tell me what you think in the comments.